Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have admin access and a backup ready. Start immediately. First, export the Realm configuration and take a full snapshot so you can roll back. Next, confirm target version compatibility and any required schema or plugin migrations. Make a concise checklist of components to update, and then schedule a maintenance window with user notification. Once done, set the Realm to read-only or maintenance mode to prevent writes during the update. These steps reduce risk and prepare you to execute the upgrade. Begin by applying database migrations in the documented order. Avoid parallel schema changes. While migrations run, tail logs and watch for failures or long-running locks. Once DB changes complete, upgrade core binaries and restart services sequentially so dependencies start cleanly. Make sure health checks pass before proceeding. Then update plugins and extensions, running integration tests that exercise login, permissions, and key workflows. Validate data integrity and referential links. If tests fail, finish with thorough end-to-end tests that mimic user behavior. Check auth, sessions, and data rights. Once satisfied, lift read-only mode and allow normal traffic while monitoring performance and error metrics for 24 to 48 hours. Create a post-update snapshot and document exact versions, commands used, and any anomalies for future audits. If a critical error appears, revert immediately to your pre-update snapshot and reopen investigation. Make sure to communicate status updates to stakeholders and schedule any follow-up patches or configuration tweaks.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.